Hi, I'm Yuri and welcome to BLAU Parts. This is a product overview for our Volkswagen Passat 2-liter TDI oil change kit. This oil change kit includes 5 liters of the Renault VMP 5W30, a MALA original oil filter, and the drain plug. Renault VMP carries formal factory approval from Volkswagen for the VW 50700 oil quality standard. This is the only oil specification that should be used in your TDI diesel engine. If you don't see this specification indicated on the bottle, it's not the proper oil for your TDI engine. It's an inferior quality oil. What really sets this oil apart from other synthetic oils today is Renault's Clean Cinto technology. Clean Cinto is a superior or higher quality synthetic oil base than what's typically used in the oil industry, and it features a highly advanced additive package engineered in Germany. When compared to other popular synthetic oils on the market today, you'll notice a much quieter running engine, reduced deposit and sludge buildup, and an improvement in fuel mileage. And that's just a few of the many features and qualities of the Renault VMP. To learn more about this awesome oil, visit our website. As well, we have the MALA original oil filter in our oil change kit, with the necessary O-rings and seals for the filter replacement. MALA is an official OE manufacturer and has been supplying many of the German automakers such as Porsche, BMW, Mercedes, VW, and Audi. MALA refuses to sacrifice when it comes to the quality of their oil filters. MALA uses OE quality materials, capacities, construction, and flow rates. We also include the drain plug in our oil change kit. The drain plug is the identical design to the original with the built-in sealing washer. So that's an overview on our oil change kit for the Volkswagen Passat 2-liter TDI diesel engine. If you have any questions on our BLAU oil change kits, feel free to give us a call or visit our website at blauparts.com. Thanks for watching.